Hey, hello, how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm fine. Is it possible to open? Yeah. So
Yeah.
you are Munib, right? So where are you from?
Yes. I'm from Pakistan. How about you?
Yes, I'm from Bangladesh.
Yeah.
But basically, where are you right now?
Right now I'm in Germany, in
Germany.
Munich.
Yeah, because
Yes.
I check about your phone number, so it's not Pakistani phone number. So that's why I
Yeah, yeah,
asked.
yeah.
Okay, so Munib, can you please tell me about yourself, like what you do, what about your businesses, the problem, the current stage of your businesses, and what is
So
your goal?
yeah, sure. By profession, I am a cloud engineer working in Munich, and also I am a big enthusiast about AI and things. So I am working for automation as well regarding workflows, and I did some automation for a taxi company. It's an AI based, you can say,
Hmm.
voice agent,
Hmm.
and I'm also working for workflows. So I'm trying to extend these services to other clients, and
Hmm.
these days I'm looking for more clients. So I found a video of you over YouTube. So that's why I came here. I wanted to contact you. What are your services? How you are doing with the email things? So
Okay.
yeah, it would be good
Ba-
if you could tell me. Maybe we can collaborate something like this. Or yeah, I'm just looking for more clients to offer
Got
my services,
it.
also the product.
Okay, let me introduce myself. I'm Esan. I run a cold mail agency called Sales Squad. Okay, so basically, I have clients from India, Pakistan. Okay, from Pakistan, I have one, and from India, I have maybe four, five, and from USA, Australia, UK, we have. Okay, so basically, the service you are providing that is AI related. So it's better if you run an AI automation agency for companies. Okay, for
Yeah.
B2B companies, it can be for marketing agency, for SaaS, like manufacturer, IT, financial services, accountant, whatever the niche and the previous client, if you work like with any niche and you have good experience with that, then that will be also a great one. You can do that. Okay, so did you watch my video on YouTube, like couple of
I
videos?
watched one, not the whole, to be very honest, and it was relate. It was with someone from UK. She was marketing
Got it. Okay.
lady.
So
Yeah,
basically, we do cold mail. Okay.
yeah,
So cold mail is the number one channel right now to acquire more client and generate consistency lead for your client, for your businesses as well. Okay. That means, think about that. You are selling AI related, like AI automation services. You are selling. You are connecting to you are targeting. You think that you are targeting marketing agencies. Okay.
yeah,
So in a month, you are reaching out to at least 10,000 marketing agencies and you are pitching your services like, hey, I am Munif, I am doing this. This could be benefit on your businesses like this. It can change, transform a business from X to Y by using Z mechanism, like an offer you have, like you are pitching them about your services. Okay, so think about that. Maybe some people basically get interested, and most of the people will not get interested. Right? On 10,000 people, assume that the the bad picture, 1%.
yeah. I remember your this pitch. So yeah, I
Yeah.
know how all things are working.
The same way.
Yeah,
It's not any kind of rocket science and not fancy thing we are doing. Like there is a lot of loopholes here. Not like the similar thing. Is like simple things we are doing for doing it for myself, my businesses, my agencies, and I'm doing it for my other clients as well. Okay, it will work
okay.
if you work with any kind of local businesses like doctor, chiropractor, local with any kind of niches, and if you want to work with B2B, that also work. Okay, so whatever the niche you find, it's easy for work. And if you want to do Facebook ad, Google ad, every keyword has a CPC value, so your cost will
Yeah,
be high. But in cold mail, basically the cost will be low but the ROI will be huge. Like assume that you are spending $1,000. Okay, in a month, all of the infrastructure and the cost, assume that you are spending $1,000. Just assume that from the next month you will get 2 3 client of your AI automation agencies, and um, uh, like an AI automation agencies, the pricing is high. Like I already worked with someone before. The pricing is basically like 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. So depends like what you are selling. It's the pricing is high. Just think about the ROI. So and it's a continuous process. It's not like that you can stop. It will never stop. Like you want to continuously reaching out to new people, pitching your services, and maybe just think 1% people are get interested, so
I
100
have a
leads.
question. Yeah, I
Yeah.
understand your point. So I have a question. How will you like generate the list of emails? Like, do you or
No,
we
no,
have to
no.
provide you?
You don't need to do that. Our team will do that because we have a agency, so we have already buy pretty much most of the tools about lead gen. And if any new tools coming, we already buy because we have clients. We need to provide that. Okay,
Okay,
so when we onboard you, we send you a onboarding form. So on the
okay,
onboarding form, we will ask you a lot of question about your target market. Like assume that you are targeting to marketing agencies. So I will
yeah.
ask you about like how you want to target, who is niche, what is your offer, what the previous work you do, what is the guarantee you are providing. So all the information like what is the job title, which country, like which like head count of the company. I will ask you many questions. So based on your persona, your ICP, I will make a lead list, and then we will start working on it. Start sending email.
And when you send your email, is there any guarantee or something? So
Yeah,
it will land on the inbox,
definitely it will
or
land on the
it depends
inbox.
on my domain. How will you send? Like from my domain or from your
Yes,
own
from
domain?
it will like your think about that, like your primary domain is munib.com. Okay, so we
Yeah,
will buy some secondary domains for using cold mail because we will
yeah.
never use your
Okay.
primary domains. Okay, it will burn otherwise. So that's why we will buy trymunib.com, with munib.com, imunib.com, mymunib.com. So this kind of pretty much secondary domains. So each domain can have 3 inboxes, and each inbox can send 20 to 30 emails per day. Okay, so if we have 10 domains, 30 emails, basically we can send like 800 to 900 email per day. Okay, so
So
that's the way.
one more question. So you are telling me you will buy domain, or I will buy another domain for sending these emails.
Like we have our packages. So if you buy those packages, then we will buy the domains for you. Okay, but if you want to buy the domains and buy all the necessary tools we want, you can buy it and give me the access. We will work. You give us a salary, and that's it. Okay, there is two option available. So whatever you are comfortable, you can choose that.
So please come again. I think I
Like
am a bit confused here.
okay,
Yeah,
there is
come
a
again.
okay, there is
Yeah,
a
two
done for you
packages.
setup. There is a done for you
Yeah.
setup. Like you will pay
Okay.
us and we will buy all the necessary things, everything, and we will connect everything from our side. And when everything connect, then when you already make your cold mail infrastructure, then on your email we will send you an invitation as a admin. Then you can click and join on the like workspaces and see all the work we did. I will see that. Okay, everything is on point. And otherwise there is one more thing that is done for you. So and also you can do one thing, that is you will buy all the necessary domains and emails, whatever I we need. I will make a list you need to buy, and then you give us a salary, and based on that we will set up everything from your side. That's it. So whatever you are comfortable, you can choose that.
Okay. All right.
Yeah. So that's it.
And what are the packages and charges you
Okay.
are
Basically, do you
something
have
you?
any experience before with cold mail, or how actually you are generating client?
So I have an idea from the technical perspective how these email things are working, how email server is built. So basically, I'm from technical side, from the IT, so I know how these things are working, how domain SPC and MX records are worked here. So that's why I ask you, how will you make sure that this email will land in the inbox and it
100%,
will not
because
spam?
in we will
Yeah,
do some
but
manual
I
test,
got your
like,
answer, and I can do this from my end, because I need to make sure that the email sending from my domain, it should be land in the inbox. And I work for these things, so I know how things are working. My the lacking the thing where I am lacking right now is l- approaching the clients and getting the clients, and how I can approach them. This is the main thing I'm looking for right now. And so that's why I looked for your service. It seems good for me, because if someone did the cold email things for me and getting clients, so I think it would be good, because technical side, from technical thing, I can easily manage my end. But the thing I'm looking for is only the
like
cold email thing.
you want
So
us to like maintain your email and domain reputation, and you want us to make a good offer for you, make some irresistible offer, and make email
from with
copywriting
respect
and
to the domain reputation, I can manage my own, because I know how
okay,
it worked, and I did this thing for so long, so I know
okay,
how things are working here. From the
okay,
infrastructure side, I'm a cloud engineer, so these things are not new for me, so I can manage that. But the only thing I am lacking here is how to approach the clients, how to get the clients, and work for long term. Okay,
got
i
it.
i I almost make my product, and it's ready to launch. I did some, you can say, prototype thing by installing with some companies of my friends, so they are fine with it, it's working. So now I'm ready to launch for the clients. So that's why I'm looking for clients all over the world. So that's why I'll ask you, from where you will generate the list of users. And so it was my first point, first question. And the second one was, how will you make sure that it will land on inbox? But I will manage that part, because I thought you were doing with your own domain. But if it is my domain, then I will manage my end.
Yeah.
So this is also fine. But now, yeah, you can tell me the packages with, apart from that, just for sending the emails with the right list of people. And from where I can,
It,
I
the
I
setup part,
assume, if you send, I saw your pitch, like, if we send to, to 10,000 people, and if we get 1% from it, so it's 100, and then something like that. So I know how these maths
yeah,
work. But I will be glad to have at least one client from that
yeah,
10,000.
like
I will be happy.
if
Yeah.
you saw my pitching, then I hope you already know that, like, that's the legit thing. Like, just think about it, it's
Yeah,
one.
I'm not answering you, to be very honest. I'm just saying, I saw that pitch, so it's not. I don't want you to repeat that again, and because I knew it, how you are
Got
selling
it,
it, so it's
got it.
completely fine. I appreciate that. But the thing I'm looking for is, how will you charge, and how things are working here?
Okay, so as you told me, like, oh, okay, you only telling about to managing your domains and set up the SPF DKIM DMARC record. You will do that. You are telling about
Yeah, I
that.
will do that. Yeah, I
But
will do
the
that.
other things we need, like sending tools, we need leads, or whatever we will manage, and we need lead verification tools, because you know that there is a lot of junk lead. We can't send on that. It will increase our bounce rate, and email health will be
Exactly.
decreased. So we need to verify our leads before sending the emails. And as well as that's like the AI automation. If you want, you can make that, like from make NA10. So you already have an Xmart there, so
Yeah.
you can use by
Yeah.
your own. So basically, for these kind of things, that tools I told you, like sending tools, as well as um, let's do one thing. You already have pretty much knowledge about it. So you buy the sending tools, you buy the lead verification tool. I will show you how to buy it cheap. Okay, like 100K email, you will verify with $80 lifetime. Like 100K email, you will verify lifetime. Okay.
Okay.
Uh,
Great.
and I will show you everything how to buy it cheap, and just give us a monthly maintenance of $500. And hello,
Yeah, I'm
and
listening.
like you already have domains and the tools you already buy. So just give us a monthly maintenance of $500, and we will like check your emails. We will write your emails. We will write your offer. We will send the emails. We will, when we are getting reply, we will notify you. Or also, we will make an automation about it. Will automatically notify you on the email. Okay, so then you can, like, my work is to like book meetings on your calendar, and your work is to join the call, close them. Okay, so we can do that if you want, and you can if you just want 1 month, then I will suggest you to not continue with us, with anyone, because you
Sorry,
know
you are saying if I want to have
like
for 1 month, then
if
don't do
you,
it.
yes, if you just want to 1 month, then I think it will be not fruitful for you, because as a brother I'm telling you, don't waste the money, because you know that we need to set up the emails, we need to then warm up the emails at least for 2 weeks. Okay, so in these 2 weeks we will make some irresistible offer for you. We will make
Okay.
email copies and get approved by you. I'll send you all the copies and you will see and approved, then we will work. And in the meantime also we will find the lead as well. Okay, so we will start sending the emails gradually, slowly. Then maybe after 21 days. Okay, so in the first month, we will not reach a lot of people. So the result will be low. So the
Yep.
result will be started, like you will start seeing good result from the month of second and third. So that's why I told client, at least make a commitment for 3 months and check. If that is not work, then we can give you refund, no problem.
Yeah, okay, makes sense. And I would say you can let's connect on WhatsApp. Maybe you can send me
Definitely.
you have my number. So maybe you whatever you are offering, just write me there. So I will discuss with my partner
Yeah,
and I will get back to you.
no
And
problem, no problem. Let me save your number on the WhatsApp.
oh, sorry. I will get back to. I have a meeting and I have to leave.